Take a little look around the harbor. Famous Chelsea Rose over there. Behind them you can see and hear the sea lions out on the rocks. There's a bird over here fishing. Some kind of diving duck. I think that Pacific Storm is the OSU research vessel. Oh, we got one. I missed him. He got something. He just came up and swallowed it. Anyway, it's a gorgeous day for the middle of September. Mouthful of seaweed. Oh, there you got it. It's catching some little minnows of some kind. Oh, he's down for a long time. I think moves like a loon, but doesn't look like a loons I'm familiar with. Anyway, I just thought I should give y'all a look around town. I don't get downtown often, mostly because of how peoply it is. There he is. Getting lunch, just like everyone else down here. See you soon.